Minute of grace, receive this blessing of restoration. May the God of all hope begin to restore in your life everything that was lost or broken. May the joy that was gone return twofold. May forgotten dreams flourish again. And may the peace that the world cannot give flood your being. May every wound of the soul be healed by the gentle touch of the Creator. And may you see, from this day forward, a new season of restitution in all areas of your life. Amen. If this message spoke to your heart, like and share so it can reach more people.